Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine. This is today's computer class and our topic is evolution of computers. My dear students, evolution of computer means how this computer came into existence and how it develops with the passage of time. Dear students, कंप्यूटर का इर्तिका कैसे हुआ, कंप्यूटर कैसे वजूद में आया और फिर धीरे धीरे कंप्यूटर कैसे डेवलप हुआ, आज हम इसी बारे में पढ़ेंगे. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल नो, एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as computer. Dear students, you can see everywhere nowadays these computers are used everywhere for everything. Means even small jobs can be done with the help of the computer nowadays, okay? But initially these computers were used only by scientists and only by engineers for the complex calculations, because dear students, the computers were very expensive when they were invented. जब इनको invent किया गया तो computers were very expensive. Their cost was almost 40 lakhs and it was much more big in size. Means it can totally occupy the space of a one room. So it was not possible for everyone to buy the computer that time, okay? But nowadays, if we will see, these computers are cheaper and even small organizations and individuals can afford them. As you can see, nowadays computers are found in small shops and in every home. I think these computers are used, and computers has now become a basic need because of their increased level of utility in almost every workplace. As you can see, dear students, if a small shopkeeper, he was doing the calculations and that was taking much time to complete a calculation of items, so and printing a bill. But nowadays, if we will see, with the help of this computer, it became very easy for all the shopkeepers to print the bill, okay? And that is also computerized. So dear students, because of their increased level of utility, computers have now become the basic need of everyone, okay? And computers are used extensively, as you know, in banks, in hospitals, media and entertainment, industries, schools, homes, space technology and research, railway, airports, etc. Dear students, do you know first of all what this computer is? This computer, the term computer, it has been derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. But a computer is not limited to perform only calculations. As you can see, you can think yourselves, is the computer used for only calculations nowadays? No. Even every job, whether that is the designing, whether that is treating patients, for everything these computers are now used. But first of all, these were made only for performing calculations. But dear students, computer is a versatile device. Versatile device means it can handle different applications at the same time. As I told you in our first class, that while working on the computer, while typing on the computer, you can keep downloading your favorite programs on background. Or if you are working on the computer, you can also listen music on the background. That means working on the computer is very easy, and working of the computer is very easy. And it's a versatile machine. That means it's a versatile device. That means that we can do number of tasks at the same time. Dear students, do you know how a computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculations. Yes, so computer, actually the computer machine, it was invented for only doing the calculating device. It was only invented for doing the calculation problems, for performing or solving the numbers. But dear students, if you can see nowadays, these computers are not used only for the calculation. Even very less use of this is doing calculations at all. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey of the computer leading to the evolution of the present day computer. Dear students, let me tell you some things about the history of computer. The need to keep a track of numbers led to the invention of different calculating device. As you know, the first calculating device which was widely used was abacus. So abacus was the most commonly used, but it was at early before computer. So after that, it was also very difficult to do huge calculations on abacus. So after that, his computers were made only for calculating purpose. Yes, computers were made only for calculating purpose. So starting from abacus, the first counting device, many devices were invented, लीडिंग टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. यानी कि एबेकस के बाद बहुत सारे ऐसे मशीन्स बनाए गए, बहुत सारे ऐसे डिवाइस बनाए गए, इन्वेंट किए गए, जब तक फिर कंप्यूटर भी डेवलप हुआ. बट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फिर उसके बाद कंप्यूटर्स जब डेवलप हुए और अब क्या किए जाते हैं, नए नए टाइप्स के कंप्यूटर्स को डेवलप किया जाता है. सो लेट वी study about some various calculating devices. Dear students, first of all, abacus. From 3000 BC, okay? Abacus was the first mechanical device used for calculations, and it was developed in China. As you know, this is abacus, and it was used for the calculating device. It's the first counting device, but it was developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame, okay? It was developed by wooden frame with rods having each beads. These are rods and having each beads. So dear students, the frame was divided into two parts, heaven and earth. This is heaven, okay, and this is earth. Dear students, each rod in heaven has 2 beads, okay, and each rod in earth has 5 beads. Dear students, abacus was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Dear students, it's enough for today. Allah Hafiz.